Hello friends and welcome back. Today we are taking a look at the Carnival Victory, which is soon to be the Carnival Radiance, for a room tour. This stateroom may undergo a few aesthetic changes throughout the remodel, but the structural layout will be similar. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome! My name is Alanna Zingano and I love to do videos all about cruise news, cruise vlogs, cruise live streams, and cruise room tours just like this. So be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Let's dive into the room and see what it offers. So this is the Captain's Suite, category CS. Let's take a look. All right, we'll step right on in and we have a nice hallway here. Check out all of the closet space. Right when we walk in, we have a bunch of hangers over here, large sliding doors here. Life jackets in this side of the closet, a lot more hangers, and a middle section as well with the safe. Tons of room to get organized with lots of shelving. And at the end of the hallway, nice full-length mirror. So walking right on in to the stateroom, this is our view, and we have a bathroom on this side. So we have the sink and some shelving on the sides here. Some nice counter space. Here are the products inside the bathroom. So this is a full bath with shower here. And another bathroom right in the hallway here. Another full bath, so your sink, your counter space, and this tub and shower here. All right, so let's take a look in here. We have opened this door number 1 and we have a bedroom. So take a look at these lampshades. Aren't those really pretty? So the bed over here, a nice full-length mirror, TV. Ooh, a nice little like pop out where we can put a laptop, maybe have an outlet here, some extra counter space. Over here, a little section to get ready with a mirror and a view. So how pretty is that you get to see out on your balcony right from the bedroom here. Lots of shelving to get organized with a hair dryer. Put your clothes in here. More shelving on this side. Stay organized with a lot more hangers. The light just automatically popped open inside the closet when I opened the door, so that's nice. More shelves and more drawers here to get organized, and the nightstands right next to the bed. Up top of the bed here there is that light switch as well, so you can turn off the lights right from the bed. So beautiful living room here with the couches. We have the Carnival towels already. Great seating area with all of this natural light, really pretty. Very gorgeous.
a little, almost a wet bar over here on this countertop with your ice bucket, and a shelf in here with your mini fridge tucked away. And right here in the wall, we have a bed that will pull down, and your stateroom host would do this every night for you. So you could see the bed that comes down, the twin bed with the railing here that comes down, and you can have another person sleeping in the cabin. So we'll walk out onto the balcony and take a look over here. All right, this is gorgeous. Take a look at this 4 top table and chairs, 2 loungers over here. What a beautiful space. 2 more loungers on this side, and so much room on this balcony here. Gorgeous. So we can take a look at some of the other balconies over here. Our current view in Port of Miami. So we have not only views looking on all sides here, absolutely gorgeous, and views all around, and another Carnival ship right in front of us.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to hit the big thumbs up and check out these other 2 videos that you might enjoy as well. Until next time, ciao for now.